What's up guys, JSF here back in today for another blind reaction. Today I'll be reacting to MLP FIM Season 1, Episode 22, titled A Bird in the Hoof. I just got done watching Episode 21, which is actually like, it was my new favorite now. But, let's see how this one goes. Bird in the Hoof. Prediction? A bird. Someone gets a bird. Pet bird maybe, I don't know. Not really sure. Bird in the hoof. So someone's gonna be taking care of a bird. Maybe someone gets like a new pet bird or something, and it's their responsibility to take care of it. I don't know. Bird in the hoof, that's just what comes to mind when hearing that title, so. Yeah, I'm really not sure guys, but let's just get into it. So, without further ado, let's get this started. Minutes of pure awesomeness coming right up. 3, 2, 1. Fluttershy's house.
Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all.
Mr. Mouse?
Oh, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
It's a...
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch? You're running.
It's like an Alice in Wonderland thing.
You're late?
It is an Alice in Wonderland thing.
Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner. Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville.
Is the rabbit okay?
I promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. It's starting. I'm missing it.
You definitely have good hearing.
I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, right, I'm late.
Get lost, Fluttershy. God, Fluttershy, go.
Okay then, see you later.
My little pony.
Okay, that gave me no insight, so I don't... My prediction remains the same. You will share this match with me. Let your tongue to beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's easy. That magic makes it all complete. Still, my very best friends. 2 royal guards. Bird in the Hoof, written by Charlotte Fullerton.
Is the pay good?
Probably not.
Hello? Anybody home?
Yeah, they're pretty set on their jobs. There's like nothing there.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
Okay then.
You made it.
Damn.
Halt! Who goes there?
Who goes there?
Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
An arrow in the knee for those guards.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
No, it wouldn't. Freshly cooked by Spike himself.
How's every pony doing? Good?
Hey.
Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Cakes.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Calm down, Twilight. Jeez.
social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good
Oh,
impression.
yeah. I was asking for more Celestia, so this is good.
Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that.
The freaking gala dress.
Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps
Yeah.
not so casual.
Hey, Applejack.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first? Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight.
Jeez.
So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess would even notice.
Uh-oh.
Oh, chocolate fountain, goodness.
Pinkie Pie, no. Oh, Christ.
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Oh, man. Why is rarity music playing?
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again.
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Gotcha.
Control, I swear to God.
And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
What is
Nothing
that?
more than the well-being of all my subjects. Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake.
That's,
Do say hello.
what
to
is
my
that?
guests.
That doesn't even look like a bird at all.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
What is that?
Really? Well, if I must.
That was literally just
I'm
gibberish.
sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an
Twilight.
audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Salutations, princess. She forgot her bird.
Phew. Now I can eat something. Come, talk.
Oh my god.
Stay right there.
Wow.
All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt.
Yeah.
Stay back. Back, I say.
Easy there. Applejack.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Oh crap. The bird escaped. Or
You poor
Fluttershy jacked it.
How did you ever get in such bad condition?
Grand theft bird.
I'm Nurse Beck to help. As a favor to the princess, who's obviously just far too busy to take her property.
What is that? It looks ridiculous.
I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help. Oh my! We better get you to bed right away. There.
What? Pretty sure you die from like that amount of body change, that drastic of a body change, that fast.
Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right.
A nice big pill.
Dr. Fluttershy expected that.
Dr. Fluttershy.
Always works.
Not so sure about that.
Almost always.
Some nice soup.
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't.
How dare you turn down the soup?
See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 chugga. Woohoo!
Oh god.
Oh,
That's the
dear.
end of that thing.
Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up.
Hummingbird.
Hummingway here was sick once too.
Hummingway.
He let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
They get along just fine.
He likes you.
Sure, let's sing the freaking theme song.
Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it. Good try.
Oh my freaking god.
I know what a clear up that
Literally just puked all over her face.
Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena?
Uh,
Better?
Humidifiers are always the best. Nope.
Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about aromatherapy?
Perhaps. Okay then.
One back?
What? Okay then. It's allergic to ointment.
Scalpel. Surgical tape.
Wow, okay, that escalated quickly.
Feathers.
Feathers.
Oh, Philomena. I thought it would be easy to make you back to health. I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
I feel bad for that bird.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on
Blunt
the princess
entrance.
today. What is Celestia's head doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But you're right. Okay, let's.
That was prolonged.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Oh crap. They're done.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't stay.
Bad liar. Yeah, I don't know either.
It's that dry night air.
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Bye.
Phew. What are you doing? Going to return Philomena, remember?
We can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon.
The Diamond Dogs dungeon.
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes.
I don't think Celestia's that harsh.
You think the princess would do that?
Okay, granted that probably won't.
Sounds like some Nightmare Moon would do, but not Celestia.
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Fucking just.
Please, Twilight.
Well, if there's no post office, then how will you get the message?
Then we can return her to the princess, and everything will be fine.
Well, that's a disturbing image.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can.
It's a she?
No excuses.
It doesn't look like a she. I should have said it many times,
Okay,
but
what else?
I wasn't paying attention to its gender.
She keeps pulling the feathers up. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby.
I really don't know what's wrong with that bird.
Of course, but
Next!
well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena. She wouldn't need it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Twilight, no force feeding. This is not going to be good.
Where are you going? No, Philomena, come back!
Swear to God. Another one of these. I love them. Benny Hill chases are always the best. Did this in episode 3 if I don't recall correctly. 3 or 4. Nice.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? Where did they go?
Bye, Rainbow Dash, again.
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down! What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we gotta find
Tornation.
That bird!
Uh-oh.
Philomena, come
God,
down.
it looks terrible.
You'll hurt yourself.
Well, that was a prolonged death sequence. Prolonged.
I'll catch you.
What? Seriously? It died. It died. It died.
What is going on here?
Wait a minute.
Twilight?
Yes,
No.
there's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
It can't be.
No, Princess.
No, just...
Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
That sucks, dude. Shit.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. No, it's my fault.
Pinky didn't even do anything.
What are you talking about?
Oh my God.
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me...
Miserable life that bird had.
Banish me too, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring everyone.
Oh my god. It's a fucking phoenix. It's a phoenix. I swear to God, it's a phoenix. It's a phoenix. I freaking knew it.
I don't understand.
Damn. I knew it.
What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
It's from Harry Potter.
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix.
That's so cool,
Right,
dude.
Philomena?
Dude, that's epic. Another Greek creature.
Majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy,
I think it's Greek. No.
every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers.
I know it's from
and
Harry Potter,
bursting in
though.
flame. Rather melancholic, if you ask me.
Yeah, very.
It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena.
I should know that from the beginning.
Occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon?
Fluttershy,
Banish me
please.
and Throw me in a dungeon in the place to banish me?
She wouldn't do that.
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth did you get that idea?
Title call.
I guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you
Child.
Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hands.
True that, Fluttershy.
Should
Definitely.
I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
She's right there.
That's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Oh, Celestina. That's awesome.
It's beautiful.
Phoenixes are awesome.
Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Swear to God. Okay, good. Okay, guys, another great episode. Not my favorite. It's not as good as last episode, but definitely a very good one. Dude, phoenixes, I'm like, that was really cool. I should have known that from the beginning, because, I'm a huge, Greek mythological creature fan. And, that is from Harry Potter as well. But, I really, I should have known that. I didn't think this show would pull a phoenix off, but okay. Fine with me. People are saying that there will be more Greek creatures in the future, so I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching this blind reaction. I really appreciate you guys and your contribution to the channel. Definitely comment, like, subscribe, comment how you would like me to improve the channel. Shoutouts are very appreciated here, because I'm still a small channel, and it'd be cool if other reactors could definitely hear about me and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching the blind reaction, and I'm really enjoying the show so far. It's just a really great show. Lovable characters, awesome stories with every episode. I'm just like, I'm pulled in, guys. So thank you all very much, and I will see you guys. I'll definitely be doing another reaction tomorrow. I'm just going to be doing editing for the rest of tonight. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys again for episode 23. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll be out. Peace, guys. Peace.